Do you have all the traffic you need? Of course not. No matter how much traffic you have, you could always use a little more. So listen, I'd like to help you multiply your traffic by 10, 20, or even 30 times. Until now, getting quality, targeted traffic has been a lot of work. I'd like to reveal a completely automated traffic generation system that really works and is push-button simple. Imagine going from $147 a day in sales to over $2,797 literally overnight. And this has nothing to do with giving money to Google, telling your life story on Twitter, buying banner ads, or figuring out Facebook. None of it at all. In fact, we're going to tear up every rule book you've ever read and do exactly the opposite of what everybody else is doing wrong. Enter your first name and email address right now, and then check your mail for a free video sneak peek.